Within the annals of criminal history, few individuals strike fear and fascination in equal measure as John Wayne Gacy. This video delves into the chilling tale of Gacy, a notorious American serial killer, shedding light on his secret life, heinous crimes, and the profound impact his actions had on society. Early life and the masked persona. Born in Chicago in 1942, John Wayne Gacy grew up in an unassuming family. On the surface, he portrayed a picture of a successful contractor and community member, actively involved in charitable endeavors and local politics. However, beneath this facade, Gacy harbored a dark and twisted side that would later unveil the shocking truth of his character. Unmasking the monster. Throughout the 1970s, Gacy's insidious nature was concealed as he lured and murdered over 30 young men and boys. The majority of these victims were innocent teenagers who fell prey to Gacy's charm, employment offers, or promises of money. Gacy would then brutally assault and strangle his victims, burying many of them beneath his own house. Discovery and capture. The horrific actions of John Wayne Gacy came to an end in December 1978 when a missing persons investigation led detectives to his doorstep. A subsequent search of his property unearthed multiple bodies, revealing the true extent of his monstrous deeds. Gacy's arrest shocked the nation, leaving an indelible mark on the American psyche. Psychological profile and investigation. Experts have examined Gacy's case to better understand the mind of a serial killer. His ability to maintain a dual life, blending into the community while concealing his sadistic acts, remains a haunting aspect of his story. Gacy's psychopathic tendencies and deep-seated control issues provide chilling insight into his motivations and methods. Impact on society. The John Wayne Gacy case had a profound impact on American society, prompting discussions on the nature of evil, the vulnerability of youth, and the importance of vigilant law enforcement. The tragedy also exposed gaps in missing persons investigations and victim identification, leading to crucial advances in forensic techniques and victim advocacy. Legal proceedings and legacy. During his trial, Gacy was found guilty of multiple counts of murder and ultimately received the death penalty. His execution in 1994 marked the end of a terrifying chapter in American criminal history. The legacy of John Wayne Gacy, the killer clown, continues to serve as a poignant reminder of the capacity for darkness within humanity and the ongoing efforts to protect society from those who would do harm. Conclusion. The story of John Wayne Gacy demonstrates the disquieting depths of evil that can hide behind a seemingly ordinary facade. His double life as a respected community member and a sadistic killer serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance and the need for effective legal measures to protect the vulnerable. Through examination and understanding of cases like Gacy's, society can strive towards preventing such horrific crimes and ensuring justice for victims affected by these monstrous acts.